Today we're in the middle of a hurricane, and I'm gonna show you what it's like to be in the middle of a hurricane. I'm in Baton Rouge right now. Baton Rouge doesn't get hard with thunderstorms, and this is hurricane weekend. So Hurricane Laura and Hurricane Marco is happening right now. Well, Laura's supposed to be in another day, so I think, but. Yeah, no mind the best music in the back because it's his little sister's birthday. But look, the clouds are moving fast. Y'all see it? See, the moon is like disappearing and coming out. But yeah, bye guys.